So children, regional parties has passed through various phases, from separatism to autonomy and now towards entry into mainstream national politics. Coalition politics is one of the consequences of their increasing influences in national politics. In India, we have many regional parties. It is not possible to know about all such parties in this chapter. We will study some parties as representative of India's east, west, north and south region. So likewise, some regional parties, they became very powerful in region their region as well as in the mainstream also, and understood. So various regional parties are also there. Major regional party you will see. First, you can see about Shiv Sena, which is the now working important party in our state Maharashtra. The main aim of this political party, Maharashtra Shiv Sena, it was established in 1966. Already we know about that Shiv Sena, the oldest political party in Maharashtra. It was established in 1966, and what is the main objective? Protection of rights of Marathi people, promotion of Marathi language, resistance to people from other regions. So this was the main objective of Shiv Sena, which was established in 1966. Second objective was in 1995 it entered into coalition with BJP and came to the power in Maharashtra. It shares power with BJP in Maharashtra since 2014. So their main aim was this, that to promote Marathi language and rights of the Marathi people and resistance to the people from other region. And what happened? With the help of the coalition government in 2014, they share power with National Party, that is BJP, and since then they are working, and in between now they emerge as a existing power in Maharashtra after this election. So this is the largest regional party in Maharashtra, that is Shiv Sena.